Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect your credit card to QuickBooks Online, a quick and powerful way to automate your expense tracking and simplify bookkeeping. Once your card is linked, QuickBooks will automatically pull in your transactions, organize them by category, and keep your financial data accurate without you needing to lift a finger. It's a must for anyone serious about managing business finances efficiently. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head to the QuickBooks Online website. On the homepage, you'll notice a clear sign-in button. Click that. When asked, select QuickBooks Online from the available products so you're directed to the right dashboard. Now, log in with your Intuit account credentials. If you don't remember your login, don't worry. Just reset it before continuing. Accuracy matters here since this information helps QuickBooks link directly to your financial institution. After signing in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look for the Bank Transactions tab. Depending on your layout, it's either on the sidebar or along the top navigation bar. This is the central place for managing your linked accounts. Next, head to the top right corner and click Link Account. A new window will open showing a list of banks and credit card providers. Type in the name of your card issuer and select it from the results. QuickBooks supports a wide range of institutions, so yours is almost certainly available. You'll then be asked to enter your online banking or card login details. Rest assured, QuickBooks uses strong encryption and multi-layered security to keep your information completely safe. After entering your credentials, follow the prompts to give QuickBooks access. Once connected, QuickBooks will start importing your recent transactions automatically. From this point on, all your card purchases and payments will show up under your account, ready to be categorized or matched with your receipts. Before wrapping up, double-check that your card appears correctly under your linked accounts. You can also create custom rules to automatically sort recurring expenses, saving you even more time each month. And that's it. You've successfully linked your credit card to QuickBooks Online. This small step will make a huge difference in keeping your financial data organized, up to date, and easy to review whenever you need insights into your business spending. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more quick tutorials on mastering QuickBooks and smart business tools. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.